My dear friend, your soulmate distanced themselves from someone after discovering this about you. Something unfolded behind the scenes that you are completely unaware of. Something that began as a simple observation, but rapidly grew into a realization powerful enough to shift someone's entire outlook on life. Your soulmate recently uncovered something meaningful about you. Not something dramatic, not a hidden secret, not a piece of information that stunned them because it was entirely unexpected. What truly moved them was the reality of who you are, the deeper truth beneath the image they had built of you. The things they began noticing once they stopped viewing you from a distance and started paying genuine, careful attention. At first, they were not searching for a revelation. They were not anticipating some life-altering moment of clarity. They were simply watching, simply observing, noticing things they had previously overlooked or brushed aside. The way you treated people when there was absolutely nothing to gain from it. The way you navigated difficult and uncomfortable situations. The way your actions continuously reflected your values without any performance attached to them. The way you stayed true to yourself even when it would have been far easier to follow what everyone else was doing or simply choose the more convenient path. Those small but significant details began forming a picture inside their mind. A picture that grew sharper and more defined with every new observation. A picture that began challenging assumptions they did not even realize they had been quietly carrying with them. There may have been people around them offering their opinions about you, people sharing their perspectives, people making judgments based on incomplete and limited information, and for a period of time, your soulmate may have listened to those voices, not because they were eager to believe those opinions, but because uncertainty has a natural way of pushing people to look for answers outside of themselves. Yet the more they focused their attention directly on you, the less those outside voices carried any weight. Because truth holds a unique and unmistakable quality. It grows stronger the closer you move toward it. And the closer they looked at you, the harder it became to dismiss what they were clearly seeing with their own eyes. They began noticing consistency, not perfection, not flawlessness. Consistency. And consistency carries immense power because it is the one thing that simply cannot be faked indefinitely. Anyone can be kind for a single day. Anyone can say exactly the right words during one conversation. Anyone can leave a positive impression when they are aware that someone is watching. But true and genuine character reveals itself over time. It reveals itself through repeated actions, through patterns, through choices made quietly when absolutely no one is keeping score or paying attention. That is precisely what they began uncovering about you. The more they observed, the more they recognized that the person you appeared to be on the surface was genuinely who you were underneath. And that realization touched them far more deeply than they ever anticipated. Suddenly they were no longer comparing you to the assumptions they had formed. They were no longer comparing you to the stories they had picked up from others. They were comparing you directly to reality, and reality was winning every single time. The more they learned, the more certain parts of their own life began to feel uncomfortable and out of place. Not because anything had dramatically changed overnight, but because clarity has a remarkable ability to illuminate things we have long chosen to ignore. Once someone witnesses authenticity up close and clearly, they begin recognizing where authenticity is absent everywhere else. Once someone experiences real honesty, they develop a sharper ability to recognize dishonesty when it is present. Once someone encounters genuine character, superficial and hollow connections become far more difficult to tolerate or justify. That internal process had already been quietly unfolding inside them long before they consciously understood what was taking place within them. They found themselves reflecting more often, questioning more deeply, thinking with greater intention about the people surrounding them, thinking more carefully about the relationships they were actively choosing to maintain, thinking more honestly about what they truly valued at the core of who they were. Those questions did not flood in all at once. They arrived one by one, slowly and quietly, rising through moments of stillness, through conversations that lingered in their mind, through memories that kept resurfacing, through observations that continued repeating themselves until they became completely impossible to push away. Every single time they revisited what they had discovered about you, the same conclusion kept emerging, the same understanding kept returning to the surface. The same truth kept presenting itself without invitation. You were different from everything they had expected. Not because you were making an effort to stand out from the crowd, not because you were working to prove yourself to anyone, but because authenticity has a natural way of standing out on its own in a world where so many people spend their time pretending to be something they are not. That is the moment when something began shifting from within. The way they perceived you started transforming. The way they understood the nature of this connection started evolving. The emotional weight they placed on your presence in their life began to grow and deepen. And once those internal shifts begin moving, they very rarely come to a halt. They keep building, keep expanding, keep growing in depth and intensity until they eventually begin influencing decisions, real decisions, meaningful decisions, life-altering decisions that reshape everything that comes after them. Your soulmate may not have immediately recognized where this chain of realizations would ultimately lead them. They may have believed at first that they were simply learning more about you, simply reaching a better understanding of who you were, simply arriving at greater clarity. But clarity is never a passive force. It transforms things. It reshapes perspective. It demands comparisons be made. It creates an awareness that is impossible to quiet once it has been fully awakened. And awareness has a consistent habit of leading people to examine parts of their lives that they have spent a very long time deliberately avoiding. That examination had already quietly begun inside them. They started posing difficult and honest questions to themselves. Who genuinely belongs in my life? Who truly supports the direction of my growth? Who actually aligns with the values I claim to hold and care about? Who feels authentic? Who feels entirely real? Those questions became impossible to set aside because every answer they arrived at seemed to trace its way back to the same powerful realization. The truth they had uncovered about you was not simply teaching them something new about your character. It was revealing something deeply important about their own standards, their own expectations, and the kind of future they truly wanted to build for themselves. Suddenly things they had once accepted without hesitation no longer felt acceptable in the slightest. Suddenly things they had once conveniently overlooked became blindingly obvious. Suddenly things they had once quietly tolerated became something they could no longer bring themselves to justify or excuse. This was the beginning of something significant and transformative. Not a shift that was visible to the outside world right away, an internal shift. The kind that begins in silence before it gradually changes absolutely everything around it. The kind that starts with a seed of awareness before it eventually blossoms into decisive and irreversible action. The kind that grows stronger and more resolute every single time a person chooses truth over the comfortable and familiar. By the time they had fully processed and understood what they had discovered about you, they were no longer the same individual who had started this journey of observation and reflection. Their perspective had been reshaped from the inside out. Their understanding had been fundamentally altered. Their priorities had been completely reordered, and while not a single person around them may have yet noticed any visible change, something profound and irreversible had already taken place deep within them. A door had been opened that could never be shut again. A realization had taken root so deeply that nothing could uproot it. A truth had established itself so firmly that ignoring it had become a genuine impossibility. Because what they found out about you was never simply information or data to be catalogued and stored away. It was evidence. Evidence that authenticity still exists in this world despite everything. Evidence that honesty still holds real and lasting value. Evidence that people of genuine character and depth are truly out there and are absolutely real. And once someone encounters evidence that meaningful and that rare, they can never return to seeing the world through the same lens again. Nothing looks exactly the same after that. Nothing feels quite the same after that. The standard has been raised and it cannot be lowered back down. If you are still here with me, please leave the word truth in the comments below. After your soulmate discovered the reality of who you are, something deep inside them completely refused to return to the way things had been before. At first they attempted to treat it as just another passing realization. They tried convincing themselves they were reading too deeply into things. They told themselves they were overthinking every detail. They told themselves repeatedly that what they had noticed and felt about you was not nearly as significant or as meaningful as it continued to feel inside them. But no matter how many times they attempted to minimize it, the feeling refused to shrink. The truth they had uncovered about you had already settled somewhere permanent within them, and it was not going anywhere. It was only going to keep growing louder and clearer with every day that passed, with every comparison they made, with every moment they spent in the presence of people who were anything less than what they now knew was genuinely possible. Sonnet 4.6. Low.
But no matter how much they tried to minimize it,
The truth kept coming back to them. It appeared in their thoughts when they least expected it. It resurfaced during quiet moments. It reminded them again and again that something about you was different from anything they had been used to encountering before. What they discovered was not just another small detail about your personality. It was something far deeper than that. It was evidence of character, evidence of integrity, evidence that who you truly are on the inside perfectly matches who you appear to be on the outside. The more they reflected on what they had learned, the more difficult it became to ignore the emotional impact it was steadily having on them. For a long time, they had grown accustomed to disappointment, not necessarily because everyone around them was dishonest, but because they had slowly learned to expect inconsistency. They had learned that people often say one thing and then do something entirely different. They had learned that promises can sound completely sincere while actions end up telling a very different story. But when they looked at you, they were not seeing that same old contradiction. They were not seeing confusion anywhere. They were not seeing mixed signals of any kind. Instead, what they were seeing was alignment. They were seeing someone whose actions quietly and consistently supported their words. Someone whose behavior remained steady and unwavering regardless of whatever circumstances arose. That particular realization started changing the way they viewed absolutely everything, not just you, but genuinely everything around them. Because once someone truly encounters authenticity, it becomes far easier to recognize exactly where authenticity is missing. Suddenly, conversations they once accepted without a second thought started feeling noticeably different. Relationships they once maintained without much thinking started feeling different in ways they could not quite explain. Dynamics they once tolerated without question started feeling different too. Clarity has a truly strange and powerful effect on people. Once you see something clearly enough, you simply cannot pretend that you have not seen it. Once you understand a truth deeply enough, it becomes completely impossible to return to the old comfort of uncertainty. Your soulmate may have started comparing things without even fully realizing they were doing it. Not intentionally, not out of any kind of judgment toward others, but naturally, because human beings compare experiences. They compare feelings. They compare what feels genuine to what feels forced. And every single comparison seemed to lead them right back to the same realization, the same understanding, the same undeniable truth. Every time they thought about what they had discovered regarding you, they felt the same emotional response becoming stronger within them. Respect, admiration, trust, emotions that had been developing quietly beneath the surface long before they had fully understood what they were. There was someone else present in their life during this entire process. Someone whose presence had once felt familiar and comfortable. Someone whose role had once seemed important and necessary. Someone they continued keeping around simply because it was comfortable, predictable, familiar, or just far easier than making any kind of meaningful change. But comfort and genuine alignment are not always the same thing. Familiarity and true authenticity are not always the same thing either. The more your soulmate reflected on what they had discovered about you, the more obvious those differences became with each passing day. Things they once overlooked started standing out clearly. Behaviors they once excused started becoming much harder to justify in any reasonable way. Patterns they once ignored started becoming completely impossible to miss no matter how hard they tried. They were not actively looking for flaws in anyone around them. They were not trying to find reasons to walk away from anything. In fact, a significant part of them wanted everything to stay exactly the same as it had always been. Change can be deeply uncomfortable. Change can be genuinely difficult to face. Change forces people to confront truths they would honestly much rather avoid entirely. Yet the realization they were experiencing was anything but convenient. It challenged existing dynamics in their life. It challenged existing beliefs they had long held on to. It challenged the simple comfort of remaining exactly where they were without having to move. Truth rarely asks permission before it changes someone's perspective entirely. Every time they learned something new about your character, every time they witnessed yet another clear example of your honesty, every time they saw yet another true reflection of your deeply held values, the emotional gap between what felt authentic and what felt artificial continued growing wider and wider. That widening gap created questions within them, questions they simply could not ignore no matter what they tried. Questions that followed them into their quietest moments. Questions that demanded real and honest answers. Was this relationship still truly serving their future? Was this connection still genuinely aligned with who they were slowly becoming? Was this person still someone they sincerely wanted standing beside them going forward? Those questions carried real weight. They carried real consequences. They carried the very real possibility of significant change. But once those questions appeared inside them, they absolutely refused to disappear. Awareness always comes before transformation begins. Before people make major decisions in their lives, they first experience major realizations that shake something loose inside them. Before they change their external world, something fundamental shifts internally first. That shift had already begun within your soulmate. The more they reflected on everything, the more they realized that authenticity mattered far more to them than mere convenience ever could. Truth mattered far more than comfort. Alignment mattered far more than simple familiarity. Those realizations were becoming completely impossible to ignore because every single time they compared what they had discovered about you to what they were quietly accepting elsewhere in their life, the contrast became sharper and clearer. Not because you were perfect, not because anyone else was entirely or completely wrong, but simply because your authenticity highlighted truths they had been carefully avoiding for a very long time. This was the precise moment when everything began moving steadily toward a decision they had not expected to make, a decision they had never planned for, a decision that would genuinely surprise even themselves when it finally arrived. Because what they had discovered about you was not just changing how they saw you, it was fundamentally changing how they saw everyone around them. It was changing their standards for what they would accept. It was changing their expectations about how people should treat one another. It was changing what they were ultimately willing to accept in their life. And once those kinds of deep changes take root inside someone's heart, they eventually lead somewhere undeniable. They eventually demand real action. They eventually force a person to choose between staying comfortably where they are and courageously moving toward what feels true and right. Your soulmate was drawing closer and closer to that inevitable choice with every single day that passed. The signs were already clearly there. The questions were already growing louder inside them. The awareness was already becoming stronger with each quiet moment of reflection, and although nobody around them could see any of it yet, a truly major turning point was steadily approaching because there comes a defining moment when a person finally realizes they can no longer ignore what their heart has already quietly accepted as true. There comes a moment when pretending becomes far more exhausting than simply choosing honesty. There comes a moment when the truth becomes too undeniably clear to continue denying. Your soulmate was moving toward that very moment, slowly, quietly, but with absolute inevitability. And when it finally arrived, it would change far more than they had ever expected it to. Because the truth they discovered about you was no longer just teaching them who you are. It was teaching them who they themselves wanted to become. If you are still here with me, type 2T2. As we continue, the realization your soulmate was experiencing had now reached a point where it could no longer remain contained within their thoughts alone. Until now, everything had been happening entirely on the inside. The reflection, the observations, the growing awareness, the quiet and steady understanding that something genuinely important had shifted and changed within them completely.